Good morning, wherever you are. Today we're looking at the little beehive cluster. It's called our M41 or NGC 2287. It's located in the constellation Cani Major, and the big dog, and it's easily found by the star Sirius. To find it, it's about 4 degrees below the Sirius. So if you hold up your 3 middle fingers at your arm length, that's about 5 degrees. So it's just a little bit under those 3 finger lengths. It's an open star cluster, which means it started off by a giant molecular cloud condensing into stars. It has several red giant stars, some blue-white stars, and some white dwarfs. It's about 200 million years old. It's been known since cataloged since about 1654 by Giovanni Battista Hudima, and it could have been known by Aristotle in 325 BC because it has a magnitude of 4.5, which is visible if you know where you're looking. And it's located about 2,360 light years away, or about 725 parsecs. And I hope you have a good day for the rest of the day, and goodbye.